Welcome and thank you for joining us today. Today is a great day for Dairy Solution Private Limited because finally a 440 XCalibur 90LX is up and running at Riaz Dairy Farm, and it became possible only due to my technical team which was headed by Mr. Faizan Arshad Ansari and Yasir Iqbal and other team members who have worked really day in and day out, and they have made this installation possible. I would also like to say that I would also like to thank in fact Mr. Lin, Mr. Tony and especially Mr. Robert Woods for their outstanding support to us, to our whole team. And lastly, but very important, I'm really thankful to Riaz Dairy Farms management, who has given us the confidence, who has given a confidence to add the BouMatic product at us. And finally, I think that it was because of their support that we were able to give this, to deliver this beautiful installation. For us, Dairy Solution Private Limited, it's a big achievement. And I think that BouMatic has also marked once again in the Pakistan dairy industry that they are the best. And I know that that this installation will be a landmark for us and also for the Pakistan dairy industry. So let's go to the site where where you can see by yourself that how this installation is done, how precisely my team has worked, and I hope that you would like it. So thank you very much, and let's go.
Hello everybody, my name is Faizan Arshad Ansari. I'm from Dairy Solution. We represent BouMatic here, and behind me you can see a fresh installation of BouMatic XCalibur 90LX. It's been 5 days we have started milking here. It's a 440 rapid exit parlor which comes with the sort gate, sprout gate and deck flush unit and smart dairy system for management of milk data. It has the ICAR certified milk meters and the waterproof touch panels, which we call touch points. We also have a chilling system with it. It's called instant chilling system. It's a very good machine, and it's built on AAA standards, like it's a commercial duty milking parlor which can operate 24/7 a day. The milking capacity of this machine is, you can say, 2,400 cows per day. At the moment, we are around milking 1,200 cows in our shift, and it can reach up to 2,400 cows per day. So the milk outlet and the harvest system and the vacuum system, we also got variable vacuum pump speed drives, and there is very less noise in this parlor as compared to other parlors. The milk pumps, the vacuum pumps, everything is built on AAA standard, and it's very robust. And I would also like to thank entire staff of BouMatic, especially Mr. Robert, Mr. Lin, Mr. Troy, who helped me here with the installation and with the guidelines. So thank you BouMatic, and thank you Dairy Solution.